Well, hi everybody, and here's just a little follow-up to the battery charger vlog we did a little while ago, and it really was just a few minutes ago that we made that vlog. And I've gone through the repair process, stripped back some wires on this little cable here. Remember this one? It was that little connector, and what I did was I stripped back the wires, connected it to the only other wires I had. That they're a lot bigger, they're a lot thicker than the wires in this little tiny cable, but connected those up because the break in the wire was at the 12-volt plug end. I've now just connected that connector straight back to my fuse box. Now, some of you, if you've seen the other vlogs about setting up 12-volt outlets in your motorhome, you'll remember that I fitted this nice little fuse box here. And it's got 10 spare fuses in it. So I've connected the red wire to a fuse here, and that's a 5-amp fuse. And I think this runs out at where are we? Oh, can't quite see the ampage on this car adapter. 12-volt DC. Actually, it's yeah, DC output is actually about half an amp. But I put the smallest fuse I can in there. It's a 5-amp fuse, and connected the black wire right up to the common earth or battery return cable, and they all go right back to the main leisure batteries. So I've connected that on there. When I plug that in, let's just get you set up there. So when the battery charger gets plugged in to this is now permanently connected to the leisure batteries on a 12-volt lead. So I'll plug that in there, and it immediately lights up and starts to charge the battery. I'm so pleased with that. Just making up and knowing a little bit about electrics can get you out of a bit of a sticky position if you've got something like this going on. Fitting the 10 fuse box, which is all fully protected back. It's got a 20-amp fuse going to the battery, so if there's more than a 20-amp surge to and from the battery, that'll just cut out and it will just stop everything working. So it's all very safe. Each outlet on the fuse box is fuse protected as well, so it's all very safe indeed. And that is a great way to get extra outlets. So I've got the extra outlets on the other side of all of that down there. I've got the 2 extra USB sockets and the 12-volt outlet that I use to plug my 12-volt laptop charger, and this powers a MacBook Pro. So all very good indeed. So all I've got to do now is just pop a bit of Velcro sticky on the back of there, and just pop that. What I'm going to do is just pop that probably down here next to the the fuse box so that I've got a place where I can easily access through the lounge sofa cupboard door here. That just closes up like that, so having the battery charger just behind that will absolutely be great. Anyway, so just to remind you, if you have enjoyed this little video, please give us a thumbs up, and why not consider subscribing so that you can follow our journey as we travel around the UK and Europe, living full-time in this Auto Trail Comanche motorhome. But thanks very much for watching, and I'm going to see you again soon. Bye bye for now.